Hello, I'm your teacher today, and this time we're gonna learn letter L. Look at this letter. This is letter L. L gives a sound L, L, L. L is for lion. L, L, lion. L is for ladybug. L, L, ladybug. Look, little ladybugs are flying, and can you fly like a ladybug? L is for lamp. L, L, lamp. But remember, when you see a letter A before two letters L, it has a sound all. Now, let's read some words together. Repeat after me. Doll, ball, fall, call. Great job! And now it's time to practice our reading. Look, this is your ABC book. Now you can open your book and read. I will read and you repeat after me. Are you ready?
L, la, L, fill, clef, flea, clab, lab, gill, laugh, leg, lead, Jill, fell, gill, black, feel, heel, deal, ill.
And now let's see how to write letter L. The big letter L. Make a line from up to down and the short line at the bottom from left to right. One more time. Make a line from up to down and the short line at the bottom from left to right. Lowercase l. Make a line from up to down. Make a line from up to down.